this video, I'll be showing you how to cut this senator outfit. Please watch to the end.
First thing we're going to do is to fold our fabrics into two. The total length of the shirt is 37. We'll add extra 5 inches to it, which will give us 42. So we'll also put it this way, 42. I will connect it using the ruler. After cutting, the shoulder is 19. So 19 divided by 2 will give us 9.5. You add extra 1 inch to it, then mark. At this point, you measure 2.5 inch for the slant. Then from the neck region, you also measure 2.5 inch inward. So this 2.5 inch, then 2.5 inch. You connect the two together with your ruler. So one part will be used for the front and the other part will be used for the back. From the back, you mark 3 inches. This is 3 inches. This will be used for the front. It's going to start from the 3 inches that you marked. It's going to start from this mark here, this point here, 3 inches. From the front part, you mark 1/2 inch. You mark 1/2 inch for the front part. This 1/2 inch should be used for the sewing allowance. And you fold the back and meet with it. You have this. So I need to quickly iron this. So after folding it, you mark the neck again. This is 2.5 inches. Then the shoulder is 19 inches, which is 9.5, plus 1/2 inch sewing allowance, which will give you a total of 10 inches. Then for the armhole, you mark 9 inch. This will also be used for the chest region. This is 9.5 inches. You also mark it here, 9.5 inch. And you connect it together with your ruler. This is our chest line. Then from the bottom, you mark 12 inches. This will be used for the side opening or the slit. So this is 12 opening. 2 inch should be folding allowance, then total of 10 inch for the slit. Then whatever is left, we divide it by 2. So what we have left here is 17.5 inches. So let's divide that by 2 to have the stomach. 17 divided by 2 will give you 8.75. Then for the neck, we'll be using 4.5 inches. That's 4.5 inch for the neck. So 2.5 this way, 4.5 this way. The chest measurement is 44. So you divide 44 by 4. 44 divided by 2 is 22. And 11. So it's total of 11 plus 1 inch sewing allowance, which is 12. You mark it here. You also transfer it this way, 12 inch at the bottom. Then for the stomach, you remove half inch, giving you 11.5 inches. The armhole, you take 1 inch this way. You see it, 1 inch. The another thing you also do at the shoulder level is this 9, you divide it by 2. 9 divided by 2 will give you 4.5, that's 4.5 inch. At this 4.5 inch, you mark 1 inch inward. For the neck region, you measure 2 inches.